it there. Very thick cover, if you can see that. So it's a thick cover, unnumbered, so that you can make your own notes, your own week to month. I think the day was in the front. And then the day, so you can just make the days of the month lists. And then you've got your stickers. It's super soft too. Like it's like I don't even know. It's almost like a soft rubber, but not like rubbery flimsy. Not rubbery flimsy. Because like I said, it's pretty thick. Can't focus on it, but in the back.
His little backpack.
So to upgrade my planner, because the inside is all blank, it's up to you. You can do it like a scrapbook, a commonplace book. So I want a place to hold some things. So I'm going to take this. Let's see if I can. No, I can't do it with one hand. Hold on. And that way, if I have anything, like, I do have a bunch of fortunes that I collect, so I can stick those in here if I want reminders. You can cut pictures that you can pull out. And then I made this. This is going to be my workout tracker. Let's see if I can focus this. So this is going to be my workout tracker. This is a year in planning. And since I basically get up at either 3, 4, or 6 in the morning to walk the dogs and take them out, get them back comfortable in the middle of the night. I mean, I can honestly circle every day, but a lot of times I'm just going to circle when I actually do an actual workout in the gym downstairs. And then of course these you can add the numbers in. I think I showed that already, and then plan out events, things like that. I am using the sides of the month to also do my word. Instead of just doing one word for the year, I might pick one for the month, and they can all kind of flow into each other. I'm not going to change. This is going to be a soft year. Yes, we're going to keep that. So a lot of these might transfer over into the next few months. And you can always put the gods and goddesses that you worship in your pantheon, or you can put something else up there to remind you of what you want for the days. If you want to just put the magic that goes with the days, you can do that instead. And then because I may not have something to write on these specific days, I kind of use this as a brain dump, reminders, and it does not have to work with the days. I just haven't gotten my stickers to cover up the days that I'm not using, but you can just use this as a brain dump area, notes taking area, whatever you want, and it can become a whole blank page instead of worrying about, okay, well, I need to write something on Monday, I need to write something on Tuesday. No, if you don't have anything specific to write, then use it for something else. Put some ideas there. Put some business ideas, or even just activity ideas, or just a list of to-do, your bucket list. Or you can make this entire page into your vision board, or this can be your commonplace page, gamers, where you put things that interest you, and you can make this a photo collage page, and that's what you can kind of use. You can put a whole piece of paper here or here and make a pocket. I'm just trying to use scrap paper, and use those to make a picture collage for yourself. So that's the kind of way that you can use this planner. Oh, one more thing. I love that it lays flat too. You can lay it flat as well. Like this page, I was really looking for plants that I want to keep in mind for gardening once I get the garden space. But I also wanted to show you like this right here. I just kind of made that. This is what it actually is. And here's a blank note page as well. So you can use that for scripting, goal setting, whatever. This, it's a to-do, but I am making this yearly to-do. So the things that I have in January, if it's already been marked off, it doesn't transfer to the next month. And I'm just going to keep writing down, and this is the things that I want to do sooner. And these are the things that come later, whether that's later in the year or basically throughout this will be towards the middle of the year, and then this will be the end of the year. And I'll just keep moving those to-dos over and chopping at that list. So every month, this is going to be the list of to-dos for the entire year, not just that month. You can use one of these pages as your to-do list for just that month if that's what you want. And you can always white these out or put stickers to cover them up. So that's kind of how I'm using this planner. If you like these, I have them in my Zazzle shop. There's a whole bunch of different ones. I think it's about 8 or 9 with different eras, like a Conjure era, Ouija era, Tarot era, whatever era you're in or whatever era you want to be in. Choose that planner. I hope you like them. And, oh, here's the back. I think I showed the back. Yeah. All right. Here's my nosy. Thanks for watching.